Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to log into your Wells Fargo account from your computer. It's super easy, so let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and head over to the Wells Fargo homepage. You'll see the login area on the left side of the screen. Next, simply type your username and password into the respective fields. If you want to save your username for quicker access next time, you can check the Save Username box. But be cautious, if you're on a shared or public computer, think twice before selecting that option. Once you've entered your information, just click on the Sign On button and voila, you're logged into your account. And that's all there is to it. Logging into your Wells Fargo account is quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.